All right, so you want to start labbing up a Fortigate firewall so you can start playing with it. This video is going to show you how to get this Fortigate installed on GNS3. So this is what you get. You have Fortigate. There it is. There's the config. So let's blow this away and show you how to get Fortigate set up on GNS3. So let's delete this. Delete this template, and we'll just start from scratch. So the very first thing you need to do is you need to go to GNS3.com. GNS3.com. You want to make sure you are signed in. So if you are not signed in, create an account with them. Make sure you have an account. Then you'll want to go to Marketplace, and then you want to come to Appliances. Now Fortigate's going to be the first one you click on, so you can just click download. I already have this downloaded, so I won't have to worry about this. The other thing you can do is you have to download the actual Fortigate code from Fortigate itself from their website. You can actually download any one of these if you want to, but we're just going to go to Fortigate and get a specific version. To get to this website, just go to support.fortinet.com. You'll also need an account for this, so if you are not logged in or if you do not have an account with them, you're going to have to do that. You'll hit login. You'll be taken to their product page. You'll want to do VM images, and then you'll want to go to Fortigate, and then you'll want to click KVM. Now you're going to have some options to click different software versions. We're just going to do 7.2.5. Now there's going to be a couple different files that you can download here. You're going to see at the very beginning it says upgrade from. So that is not what we want. We do not want an upgrade from version. We also do not want Forti firewall. We do not want that. We actually want Fortigate. So we're going to look for new deployment, and we're going to look for Fortigate. So this is Forti firewall, so that's not it. We need to scroll down a little bit more. There's new deployment, Fortigate. This is the one that we want. So you need new deployment and for a Fortigate. This is the one we want. So you'll click on that and download it. Takes a little bit. You'll get it downloaded. You will get a zip file, and then you will take that zip file, this guy here, just right click on and extract, and just say yes. It'll extract the file. You'll build that out. And then I always like to come over here and grab this little bit just so I have that. I like having all my stuff matched. So we're going to copy that just for the time being. Once you have that all done, oh, the other thing I was going to say, if I didn't already, is make sure you hit this download button. You can do it a different way, but we're just going to show you by actually downloading this file within GNS3. So once you have those couple files, oh, the last one that you'll need, I forgot one more thing. You're going to need this empty 30Q or G.Q file. Make sure you download that. I think you can be any one of these. I don't think it really matters. I think they're all the same MP5 hashes, but make sure you have that downloaded as well. Once you have those three things downloaded, this download up here, the empty 30G file, and then your Fortigate file from Fortigate, come back to GNS3. And then we're going to do new template. We're going to import appliance, and then hit next. And then you're going to click your Fortigate GNS3A file, hit open, and then you just want to sit next, leave that default, hit next. So now our version is not in here. We have 7.2.5. It's not currently in here. So what we need to do is we'll create a new file, 7.2.5. Okay. And then here, this is where I like to paste in that version that I had before. That's where I got it from the Fortigate for Fortinet website, just to make sure it's all the same. And then just hit OK. And then OK, this is your empty 30G file. Just hit OK on that. And if we scroll all the way down to the bottom, you can see it's been updated here. So yours is going to say files missing here. I've already imported this in, but it'll say files are missing. You'll just go to import. You'll find your Fortigate file that you unzipped. Click 40 OS, and then hit open. And it'll take a little bit. We'll just go through it again. It'll download it and install it into GNS3, and then just make sure you have that highlighted again, and then hit next. And then yes, you can see your password is no password set, just with the username is admin, and then just hit finish. That will add it to GNS3. Move it over, right click, start, go to your console, and it will take a little bit to boot up. It took mine probably 5-6 minutes to fully boot up, because it is a pretty big program and it does take a lot of resources. So just be patient. If you get to this screen, you know you've done everything correctly. If it's still blank after a minute, go back, watch this video, make sure you've done all the steps correctly, but it should work. If this helped, give it a like, give it a follow. I'll try to make more of these. Thank you.